Welcome back to another New York afternoon session. So having a look at yesterday's volume profile and then today's session from the New York Open all the way to here, we can see that all these previous day levels are well below. So looks like we've moved up to another new all-time high. We're about 300 points away from yesterday's previous day, or yesterday's value area high. And you can see all the previous week's levels are well down here. 27 for 460 is the highest. We're currently at 28 170. Looking at the volume profile of this session now, we can see that it is for the majority D-shaped in the middle with two big volume nodes, two big high volume nodes there. Looking at what we've got now, we do have price not too far away from the current value area high. So if we mark that out, about 21 points away. So if we were to trade the accounts that are the live accounts, we would be looking for something off this value area high here for the current session. However, I think I'm going to start on the eval, Apex eval today. You can see we're already at $291 in profit. That's from the overnight session. So that's profit that's carried over. So I'm going to move over to the eval now.
That makes sense. With the live accounts waiting for a clear reaction at that value area high is a solid plan. Meanwhile, focusing on the Apex evaluation lets you build on that overnight profit with less pressure. Just stick to your levels and let the price action confirm. Sounds like you've got a clear game plan.
So if I had to anticipate what was going to happen now, given we've just hit an all-time high on NASDAQ at around about an hour ago, and we're coming up to that 2:30 p.m. Chicago time, I'd be thinking I'd want to take out these highs and then come back down into this lower volume area here.
Your anticipation is logical. Often after a push into all-time highs, we can see liquidity grabs or a quick revisit to fill in those lower volume zones. If that's the case, you'll want to watch closely for confirmation, whether it's a rejection from the highs or a break into that low volume zone. Just stay patient and let price confirm your bias before acting.
So in hindsight, I should have just held on to that actual first trade. As you can see, prices come all the way down to point of control through all of those levels. However, as usual, I got spooked and then closed it as price moved back. And you'll see it gets close to my break even point here. So I closed it. So very silly, as that went on to be about 60 plus points.
Waiting.
Thanks for watching. A bit of a wild session, backwards and forwards. Not great trading, but we managed to get 270 on top of what we had. 280 on top of what we had. Come back tomorrow. We're going to try and get that to 51,000. We're at 50,627. I want to get that back to 51, and then I've got 2 more weeks to try and get it to 53. So 1,000 each week after that. See if we can pass it.
You've got a structured target and a clear plan ahead. Even if the session felt rough, you still made progress. Let's see what tomorrow brings. And with your discipline, you'll be inching toward that goal step by step.
Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll catch you tomorrow.